It is an honor for me to be a co-sponsor of this resolution to honor Alex Ayala. It is truly amazing how Alex Ayala has the entire country under its spell. Ako na hindi naman mahilig sa tennis, I find myself watching clip after clip of her games and interviews. More than her skill in the game of tennis, there is something about her that draws the Filipino people to her. Napaisip ako kung ano ba talaga meron sa batang ito. Then it hit me as I was watching one of her games. Habang siya ay napapasigaw tuwing hinahabol at binabalik ang bola ng kalaban. Habang pinapanood ko yung emosyon sa kanyang muka, may hila talaga sa puso ng mga nanonood. Mr. President, in a world dominated by AI and fake news, Alex Ayala gives us realness sa bawat talon, takbo, at pagdapa upang habulin ang bola. Nakikita natin ang ating mga sarili na nagpapakahirap ding abutin ang ating mga pangarap at ipanalo mga pagsubok sa buhay. Alex Ayala is truly an inspiration to every Filipino. At sa mga interviews niya, lalo na tuwing siya'y sumasagot, hindi isang salitang Ingles kundi sa sarili nating wika. Nakikita mo na buhay pa sa ating mga kababayan at kabataan ang diwang Pilipino. Buong pagmamalaki niyang dinadala ang kulay ng ating bansa. And she does so responsibly. I say responsibly because you really see how serious she takes the fact that she represents our country. She conducts herself with grace, honor, and humility. With this, let this resolution be a form of thank you to Alex Ayala for inspiring our people, giving us another reason to be proud Filipinos, and for uniting us again as one nation. During these times when our people are divided by politics and where people leverage on creating conflict for personal and selfish reasons, it is a breath of fresh air for us to be united just because this young lady struggled and fought her way into the prestigious world of tennis. I look forward to more Filipinos conquering the world stage in whatever field they are in. Kasi iba talaga ang pusong Pinoy. Basta gugustuhin, kakayanin natin. Again, thank you, Miss Alexandra Maniego Ayala. Saludo po kami sa iyo.
Buhay journalist sa nangyayari sa ating bayan. Kay Nax Alporte, ang importante, ang katotohanan ay masabi. Kay Nax Alporte, ang importante, kapakanan